Hey, good afternoon, BG audience. Mike Belluomo here. I'm taking a little coffee break. Sometimes it's too hot, sometimes it's too cold. Today it's just right. Today I'm going to give you a little understanding of BG MOA. Bring out some sunscreen here, just kind of cement the concept. But sunscreen, as we know, protects your skin. In the sunlight, without the right protectors, you could suffer some wear and tear. It's not good. Simply applied, it provides everything you need for a whole day in the beautiful sunshine. MOA actually works in a similar fashion. MOA, used with engine oil, actually improves the properties of the engine oil to protect your engine. How does it do that, you say? Well, I'll explain it to you. The protectors in MOA are specifically designed to help the engine when there is high heat and high wear and tear. Normal driving brings us that every day. The oil itself is really just designed to last so long, and what it needs is a little booster. Like sunscreen, MOA actually gives you that extra little protection. By coating the parts and protecting them against the ravages of wear and tear, carrying debris away, and cooling the engine every day, it actually makes your oil last longer. I like to use BG MOA every oil change because it actually enhances the protection my normal engine oil brings. Much like sunscreen, I could probably be out in the sun and be okay, but okay isn't good enough for me. If I want to protect this fragile beauty that I call a face, I like to make sure that I put enough sunscreen on there. My adoring fans like to see it that way. What I would do is put MOA in my engine, and who knows, you might look as good as me someday. Thank you for stopping in. I'll have caffeine ready next time, and until then, I bid you adieu. Bye-bye.